Hello sir, my name is Manikumar. Now today my topic is about 3-point starter. We have mainly three types of starters: 2-point starter, 3-point starter, 4-point starter. Now coming to the main principle of the starter. Starter prevents the high starting current caused by low armature resistance of the motor. At the starting, the armature resistance has very low value and the speed is also very low. Speed is 0 at starting. Ia equal to V minus Eb by Ra. As speed is 0, Ia equal to directly V by Ra. V voltage value is about 230 volts and the Ra value is about 0.5 ohms. 230 by 0.5 means it about 460 amperes. If the 460 amperes means nearly 20 times greater than full load current directly passes through the motor winding, means the motor winding will damage. So to prevent this, we are adding some external resistance in series with the line. That adding of external resistance in series with the line is done by a special equipment known as starter. Now coming to the 3-point starter, it has 3 points: line, field and armature. Here overload release coil is connected in series with the line. Overload release coil is connected in series with the line and the no volt release coil is connected in series with the field. It's starting when the supply is given. When the supply is given, the whole of the resistance is connected in series with the load so that the starting current is very low. As soon as the current picks up, the speed also picks up. Hence, it works properly. The brass arc is connected to terminal F2 no volt release coil. Working. When the motor is at rest, the handle is in off position due to action of strong spring. To start the motor, the main switch is closed first and then the handle is slowly moved to the right. As soon as it comes in contact with the first stud, whole of the starting resistance is inserted in series with the armature. At the same time, field winding is directly connected across the supply through brass arc simultaneously holding coil energized. The handle moves through various studs against spiral spring and finally entire starting resistance is cut out from the armature circuit. When the handle reaches on position, the soft iron piece attached to the handle is attracted and held by holding or no volt release coil. Now some special points about no volt release coil. No volt release coil consists of an electromagnet connected in series with the shunt field which holds iron piece is in the on position. Whenever the supply fails or disconnected, the electromagnet de-energizes and release is the handle. The handle goes to off position due to spring action and the motor is disconnected from the supply. If the handle doesn't go black when supply is switched on, gets restored. The armature of the motor is directly connected across the supply. So due to low armature resistance, heavy current flows through the armature winding, causes damage to the motor of armature winding. In this way, no volt release coil works. Now coming to overload release coil. Overload release coil, it is connected in series with the motor, so carries full load current. When the motor is overloaded, heavy current flows through the coil and magnetizes up to such extent that it pulls moving iron D upwards and short circuits the no volt release coil. So no volt release coil demagnetizes and releases the handle. The handle goes back to off position and the motor is disconnected from the supply. In this way, overload release coil protection to motor against overloads. Disadvantages. The main drawback of 3-point starter is it is not used for speeds above normal speed. Advantages. The 3-point starter is used with DC shunt motors. 3-point starter are used in lathe factories. 3-point starter are used in spinning mills. Disadvantages of 3-point starter. The main disadvantages of 3-point starter is it is not suitable for variable speed motors. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. ये लगभग thank you ना